Hello friends, here I have come again. So a very nice happy new year to all of my students, all of my viewers. Kindly keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channels. I think you all are taking your best preparation for the upcoming competitive exam. Today in this video I will discuss something about fill in the blanks generally given in the exams. So kindly keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channels, and do not forget to press the notification bell icon for more videos of mine. But again I would like to request all of my students and viewers, please, if you have any queries regarding any questionnaires answers, kindly drop your questions in the comment box. I will try to answer your questions. Okay. So please have a close look on the board. So it is all about fill in the blanks. In the first fill in the blanks, the question is given in this way. The meeting is put dash. Here is a blank. Key members have not arrived. The meeting is put dash because the key members haven't or have not arrived. Options are there in this way. In option B, off. Option C, out. Option D, done. So the question, look over the question once and again. The meeting is put, this means meeting is not held. It was about to be held, but ultimately it is not held because the key members have not arrived. So if we like to write in, it will be a mistake. Put in means submit some paper, submit some application, vice versa. Put out means extinguish or stretch out, you can say. Or expand, you can say expand. Put down means suppress someone, repress someone. So all this in, out, off, in, out, down, not off, will automatically be omitted. What is left? O double F. So put off means held up. This will be the answer. That means the meeting is not held today. It will be held some other day. So this is the answer. You have to know the meanings properly and write the answer in the exam hall. At least you have to select the right option. So prepare your vocabulary, prepare your phrasal verbs. If you prepare your vocabulary or phrasal verbs with a judicious minds, you can be able to answer the questions given in the exam. Now I would like to discuss the next question. The dramatist must cater dash the taste of the audience. The dramatist must cater as the taste of the audience. Options are there in this way. To over see into. Last option for. Cater means pay attention, something like that, pay service. So whenever we are paying attention or paying serving, we are showing some kind of attitude. So already I have told you that to is considered to be a preposition of attitude. So we are showing some kind of attitude, loyal attitude. This means to will be the answer, as it is called the preposition of attitude. All this over, into, for will be eliminated from the list. So be judicious while selecting the right options. Particularly be logical in thought and approach too. So in this way, in this format, you have to select the right answers. So kindly keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channels, so that whenever I will give some tricks, you will not mix any of this. Now the third question is all about -10 miles dash a long way to walk. Options are here in this way. R is, C are not, D are being. Be careful about one thing in English. 10 miles, 2 meters, 5 days. Whenever we all take this as only a unit, so automatically it may be that it is written in plural, but as it is taken into consideration as a single unit, the singular verb must be there. So there is no question of writing is or are. Being, there is no question. If we go through being means some kind of dynamism. The action is on. Here the action is not on. It is just a normal statement. So it may be plural, but taken into account or taken into consideration as a single unit. So the answer will be is. So the right option will be B. B will be the answer. So you should all put it, imprint it on your mind, on your mindset, that whenever such thing like 10 miles, 5 days, 6 kilometers, etc. is given in the exam. So what you need is to select the singular verb if the option is related to the verb. Now I would like to discuss the next question. If you have any queries regarding this question, kindly drop your queries in the comment box. I will try to answer. Now I would like to discuss my next questions. It is all about fill in the blanks. The child approve plan. Options A to option B by option C of option D with. The sentence is telling the meaning that the child's father has planned something, but the child did not want to go by the plan. So be careful. Approve is such a kind of verb that has a dual role in English. First as transitive, secondly as intransitive. So we can approve the, we can say we can approve the plan, we can say we can approve of the plan. So if we say we approve the plan, in that case approve will function as transitive. On the other hand, or on the contrary, if we say approve of the plan or something like that, in that case approve will function as intransitive. Here the verb is given as intransitive. So automatically all this will be out. Instead of this, of must be there. So the answer will be of, options will be C. It is functioning as intransitive verb. In this way you have to select your answer. There is a specific cost behind using of. In my other videos I will discuss all this. So this is my class for the day. So kindly keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channels, and do not forget to press the notification bell icon for more videos of mine. If you have any queries, any questions, any askings in connection with this fill in the blanks, kindly drop your answer in the box, in the comment box. I will leave no stone unturned to give answers to your questions. Okay, so have a very nice day and a nice new year. Take your preparation to the best of your knowledge. Tomorrow I will again take my class. Till then,